Hello friends, now this video will guide you how to process your order for further shipment. First of all, you have to log in to Cartoget panel with your credentials. So when you log in, you will get this dashboard. Okay, now there are many more buttons. So basically you are not required to use all these buttons. First of all, you have to either import order from Amazon, eBay, Traders, or from any other source. So once you import that, you will get the training like how to import the order. That will be on just 2 clicks. So now just to check your orders after importing, now you have to check your orders. So click on process order. So once you click on process order, you will get this window. From here you will be able to see your all your orders, whether it's from Amazon, eBay, Traders, or you have added order on this panel. All you get from here. Now to assign this order, you have to click on the name of that particular order. Then you have to click on ship now. So once you click on ship now, you get a list of courier companies. For example, for this Shriram Shriram, for this customer Shriram, you got two options: Blue Dart or First Flight. That means only these two courier company are serviceable to that particular pin code. So you have to select any one courier company and you have to click on proceed. And let's take another example, like Mr. Kalyan. If I click on Kalyan and I click on ship now, okay, one more thing, on the right hand side you will be able to see the details of your order, like customer name, product name, price, etc, etc. And from here you have to click on ship now. See, now for this particular order you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 options. The seventh option, other, is the option if you want to ship by any other source or by hand or by through your courier boy. So in that case you have to click on others, otherwise you have to select any one of the courier company. Although I'm selecting FedEx because FedEx is more economical and its service is super. So for this order I'm selecting FedEx. I selected FedEx and proceed. So once you click on proceed, you will get the AWay number. So this is the AWay number assigned on a real time. And now just to take out the printout of shipping label, you have to click on prints. Then you have to click on print shipping label. So once you click on print shipping label, one PDF file get download on your system. Okay, and now I open it. So this is a shipping label. It has to, from, barcode and all. You have to paste this shipping label on an article. Now a few more things you are required to generate. To generate, you have to click on this checkbox. Then you have to print manifest. You are also required to print invoice. If you want to use our panel invoice, then you can use it from here. And one more thing, like you have to click on generate pickup. To generate your pickup, you have to click on generate pickup. So once you click on generate pickup, you will get the option to FedEx, and on clicking on FedEx you will get the confirmation whether your pickup is generated or no. So till the time it get open, yeah, see, yeah, pickup confirmation number 44, location, and now your pickup is scheduled for the same day. This is your ship invoice, and this is your FedEx manifest. So this manifest is actually required to take a signature of your pickup guy. This is kept as a record, like you have handed over your article to your pickup guy. Now done. This status has been changed from pending to ready for dispatch, and automatically it will get changed when it get delivered. Same way, now you assign your order, and same, your customer will get the email and SMS notification. This customer will get email and SMS notification on this mobile ID and mobile number and email ID, like your order has been dispatched through FedEx with this airway number, and he will get a notification. And to check, like if you want to check what is the status of this airway number, you have to click on this airway number. You will get this one. As we have just assigned this order, so no tracking data is available for this airway number. So I'll just close this window. Just check out another one. I clicked on this. Now it's showing delivered, considered delivered. So you will get this notification also. You can generate, you can track your deliveries. You can have all the details from here. You can generate it anytime. So this is all how ShipRocket works for to ship your orders. Thank you. Good luck.